projects like honoring of a girl child. We have done recently the project on the child Chandani Chari. We have adopted her for 2 years, and we have given her a check of 36,000. And this check is sponsored by my friend Vanessa, who is a new member inducted this year only.
Bringing out the true and factual news to the fore. Press reporter of Tarun Bharat since 1998. Initially as a sports reporter for 6 years, later as Mamsa reporter till date. Also in charge of Bangladesh area, awarded as the best reporter of Tarun Bharat, and during his tenure as a crime reporter, he exposed the drug nexus. Please welcome, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Girish Keshav Mandrekar. Requesting District Chairman ma'am to please do the honors.
फंक्शन पावलं बरोबर हय
There are no rights without corresponding obligations. Your right to become a member of this club is the most exclusive one for it. Without corresponding obligations. Your right to become a member of this club is the most exclusive one, for it is available to you only. The Innerville Club member who makes your membership possible values very highly her privilege to be a member of her club. If you put the same high value on your privilege to come into Innerville, you will welcome the obligations of friendship and service which the membership imposes upon you, even though this involves some personal sacrifices. I especially hope that you will find here with your fellow members the feeling that you are among friends and that you will joyfully take your part in all the work of the club and have many years of happiness. Nagvekar, Mrs. Chaya Paliyekar, Mrs. Pallavi Tuekar and Mrs. Unnati Rao.
Please appreciate the efforts of Innerville Club of Marseille. And here is the inauguration of release of the bulletin Mogra. Mrs. Geeta Parak. Red color backed by Mrs. Alpana Paroekar. Blue color by Mrs. Dipti Farari. And all the activities. This is the result of those. Also, a quiz competition was held on inner wheel theme so that they should know about the inner wheel in detail. And the prize winners are Mrs. Alpana Paroekar again, who has given the right answer for the quiz competition. Mrs. Nilima Desai, Mrs. Sheetal Naik, Mrs. Kanchan Bichorkar. For punctuality, for giving the regular liking on the Facebook page, and the prize goes to Mrs. Ranjana Pillai. This is a teamwork, and this is the achievement of all the results. Thank you all.
It is like when leader walks ahead prominently with a torch of hope, followers also follows him prominently. And I would say, we are lucky to have soft-spoken personality, energetic, calm and knowledgeable personality, Dr. Jyoti Patil. An immense pleasure to introduce her to you all. Dr. Jyoti ji was born in Belgaum, daughter of late Vijaya and Principal Dongre, whom she believes to be architect behind her profession, and have achieved many prizes and awards in many fields in K.L. Dental College at Belgaum for 1 year, and then started her own private practice. She has traveled a long path. Of journey in Innerville. She started her journey from Dandeli in 1993 at Charter ISO. Then she was honored by many prestigious posts at club level and executed many service activities and projects. She was the event chairman for the association's second executive committee meet at Dandeli in year 2011 and 2012. She also had the honor to serve the Innerville family at district level as district editor, district secretary, district treasurer, district ESO, district vice chairman and Mission Mamta coordinator 2019-2020. Apart from this, she is also advisory member of Jizamata Maratha Mahila Mandal Foundation.
And recognition given to the President Ma'am by our own district chairman, Dr. Jyoti Ma'am. So, Gayatri Saukar. Cherished last year also, and really we enjoyed also. I myself enjoyed the ISO course last year also. Thank you very much, ma'am, householders of this group. On behalf of our group, please accept it, ma'am. And thank you very much. Special thanks to Dr. Sangeeta Pawar also, who is all the way over here, who is the sister of our Dr. Jyoti Patil.
Oh, she left, yeah. We are already time, or half an hour late as well. So, greetings
and healthy greetings during this pandemic. Wish you all a happy new year. I wish President Priya, her team, and all club members and dignitaries present here a year of action-packed, best, caring, beautiful, enjoyable, fruitful, gratifying, a healthy new year 2021. Dear Club President Priya, Secretary Gayatri, immediate past President Rani, Treasurer Vanita, ISO Sheetal, Editor Sangeeta, dear inner friends of MAPSI Light, Rotarians, First Gentleman of IWC MAPSI Light, Rotarian Parag Sir, Honorable COVID warriors, invitees and guests. The year 2021 is different. The wheel is running but bringing great challenge. And this situation could happen in anyone's tenure. But Priya, we are fortunate that God has chosen us to face the challenge. So when nothing is certain, everything is possible. Your plans for tomorrow may not unfold as you expect, but it's important to make plans and move on. Your club is just 2 years old, and I'm delighted to visit your club for the second time. I visited your club during the formation meeting as district ESO. So I'm happy to see my child in doing progress. Immediate past president and charter president Rani Puri also has given excellent year. Congratulations. So Innerville is a wonderful organization where we get ample opportunities and can make our purpose of existence more meaningful and satisfying. Individually, we may do our share of serving the society, but collective efforts will definitely deliver significant results. I just love the ambience today, all sunshine, girls. I will call you girls, not ladies. Looking around, I can see familiar faces also because I had visited you before, also just 2 years back. I admire your club. You have young, talented members to bring new ideas, and even senior members are there to guide you. Even you have a working woman. So I really appreciate that all of you just, you're doing your job by keeping the balance between home, work, and the club. So keep it up. I'm very happy to meet you all physically after a long time. And I thank dear Club Editor Sangeeta for those nice words about me. It really means so much to me. And I appreciate wonderful and lively MOC by Dr. Nutan. Congratulations. So learning the Innerville protocol, everything, how to manage, good. So you will be our incoming president now, very sure. Innerville is one of the third largest organization in the world. So first being Rotary organization, and Rotary in more than 230 countries. And the second largest organization is United Nations. It has spread across 193 countries. And the third largest organization is Innerville. It has spread across 103 countries. So be proud of that you are a member of such a big Innerville organization. The logo of theme Lead the Change. You can just have a look. It's a beautiful lady, and you can see the globe, world map. And there is a lady who is trying to show with her left hand that Innerville is encompassed in the whole world. So friends, where Innerville is occupying the prominent place in the world. And you will feel more proud to know that Innerville has representation in the United Nations. Our service reports goes to UN. 109 NGOs are associated with UNO. And it's the IW Vice President who is always in constant touch with the UN representatives in 3 major offices of the UN. The first being in largest in New York, the second is in Geneva, the third is in Vienna. So we have 2 Innerville representatives in each of the offices on different committees such as human rights, the family, drug abuse, aging, girl trafficking, rights of the children and senior citizens. You will feel more proud to listen this that 34% of the clubs of international Energy are being in India. So our work is very, very important and forms the major part of the reports. So we in Energy from India are actually doing and contributing to fulfilling the goals of United Nations. So congratulations President Priya and EC team. Really they are doing wonderful. Priya is very determined and focused in her work. I appreciate her working style, alert and prompt in all her correspondence. She is leading the change and showing path of light, a ray of hope to her club. A series of innovative projects you have seen today, that so many innovative projects she has undertaken. More than 49, she told that she has completed 49 projects within 6 months. That's a remarkable achievement.
Of MAPSA Elite, I thank our DC ma'am, Jyoti Patil, for gracing us with her esteemed presence. I thank all the invitees for coming here for all the for the felicitation. I thank all the members for working together to make this event success. Thank you one and all.